What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So I just got this in the mail right now, and I think these are my injectors. Okay, so got my injectors in. These are from Snake Eater Performance 1500 cc injectors. I'm gonna be able to run full 85. I'm running on pump gas right now, and my stock injectors are maxed out. So this is their sheet. I think they do a flow test, and they came up pretty good right here. So yeah, these are 1500 cc's. So they should be able to handle full 85 without an issue. And then I also got a sticker, Snake Eater Performance, really nice. And here they are, 6 injectors. E46 is over there. I'm gonna bring it over here inside the garage, and we're gonna start the install. Also got different wheels now. I think these came off an M3. I got them from my friend. I have the other wheels in the back. I don't know, I think these are heavier. They might be because they have wider tires. These are 285s, 30 18s on the rear. Toyos are 888s, and then 265 35 18s on the fronts. And then I've already got I'm gonna wrap the car. It's gonna be Nardo gray on the sides and gloss black on the hood, roof, and trunk. That's gonna look really nice. And then I've already ordered a CSL bumper, so it should be here in a few weeks. I really like how these wheels look with the R888s. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna lower it more. I still have like 2 inches, and I got coilovers too. Got Godspeed coilovers, and then if it rubs, I can adjust the stiffness. So go ahead and turn it on. Cold start. Oh no. I was driving it around in the morning, so that way I can burn all my 91 gas, because I'm gonna add full 85 for my new injectors. I'm gonna be able to run full 85, and the good thing is that I have an E85 station like 5 minutes from here. So I'm gonna be able to daily my car to work every day. I have it daily, but I just like driving this one. My daily is right here. It runs. It just battery. But it runs. Okay. I also got a new turbo blanket because the other one was ripping itself apart. And then I also got my, I'm not done yet, but I modified my HID ballast. So because it was, before it was somewhere in here and it was blocking the flow, the airflow into my turbo. So what I did is I extended the wires into the back right here. Like I said, I'm not done yet, but it's gonna go somewhere in here in the under the breather. Then probably when I turn up the boost more, I'm gonna drill a hole into the valve cover so that way I can run another AN line into this other port right here. So right now it's on 5 pounds, so it's not a lot of pressure. And yeah, it looks pretty good. And this right here, this helps a lot, to be honest. It gets cold air into the turbo. Okay, so first I'm gonna have to remove the rail, the fuel rail, and for that I'm gonna have to remove my breather hose. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So yeah, after I put on my injectors, I'm gonna be able to turn up the boost a little bit more, probably like 7 to 8 pounds, and then after that work on the timing, and we'll go from there. My clutch is slipping right now, so I can't turn it up more than that, so we'll see what it does. I'm gonna have to turn it down if it's too much for the clutch. But yeah, I've been looking at some new clutches. I haven't decided yet, but we'll get one soon, and then we can turn it up more. So yeah, after looking at this sheet, it looks like before sending them out, they do a flow test on each injector, and they are numbered as well. This is number 3, number 4, number 2, number 5, number 6, and number 1. And here they are: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it shows you a high flow, the percentage. So not bad. Then the sticker, let's go ahead and put it on right now. I don't know if I should put it on the back. Yeah, I think it looks better right here. There it is, Snake Eater Performance. Okay guys, so I've already got the connectors off. You got this little clip on each one of them, and what I did is I just took them off with a flathead screwdriver. It's much easier to remove, and once you do that, you can just pretty much pull the whole thing out. And then here we have the fuel rail. So I think these are 10 millimeters. It has 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts. So after you remove all those 4 bolts, you're gonna pull the fuel rail out, and then just be careful because there's gonna be a bunch of fuel spraying out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna put you guys right here. See if you could see right there. Okay, so here I got my old injectors. These are the stock Siemens Deca injectors, and then here I have my Snake Eater Performance 1500 cc's. I'm still gonna keep these injectors. They work fine. So I'm gonna put them back into these bags and inside of these little boxes, and I'm gonna put them away. I might sell them. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but they work. Now moving on to these. Here we have the fuel rail right here, and later on I'm gonna order a fuel rail with a return line, and then I'm gonna upgrade my fuel lines with AN lines, and then I'm gonna have I already have a AM fuel regulator, so I'm gonna put that on. And then what else? And then intake manifold. That's another thing that I want to get. Okay, so before I put them in the fuel rail, I went ahead and put some engine oil around the o-ring, so that way it slides in better and it doesn't damage the o-ring. Okay, so I have all the injectors in, all 6 of them. Okay, so got it started. There it is, idling on E. These injectors are loud. I don't know if you can hear them.